What's up guys, this is Vince with VinceLimburn.com coming at you today with another video on what equipment I used in order to create over 300 professional videos while on a budget. If you're into those things, camera tips, business tips, and your occasional food adventure, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you know every time I post a video. Let's get into this. If you're a beginner or just someone looking for a great camera setup that's light, that's relatively cheap, that produces great image quality, this is what I'd recommend. So what I actually started with was a Sony Alpha 6300. It has great image quality. It doesn't have in-body stabilization. That's what I use the lens for. It has 4K capabilities and 120 frames per second in slow-mo, which is great. I use that a lot. Cameras are actually going for about $300 to $600 used online. Along with this, you have to get a great lens. I first invested in the Sony optical steady shot 1.8 50mm lens. This is actually going online right now for about $200. The focal length is kind of long, so it gets kind of zoomed in, but for its price, this is a great lens. So the fact that this has optical steady shot, that really helps to stabilize all of the shots that you're gonna be doing. That 1.8, it opens up really wide so you get a lot of light in. For a lot of my shoots, I found that I've been in tight spaces and kitchens, little areas that don't have really great lighting, or they don't have a lot of space. But this is a great lightweight compact setup. So if you're looking for a new camera setup or just starting, this would be a great budget camera for you. Let me know in the comments below. What was your first camera setup back in the day, or what do you use now? So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget, be marvelous. Peace, 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 peace.